For he will command his angels concerning you, to guard you in all of your ways. Psalm 91 verse 11. Hey guys, so this wig is from Yolissa Hair, and that is the wig. It is a large cap size, 200% density, HD lace, and 26 inches. And here's what the lace looks like. Not sorely thin. Lace is fairly thin. And let me see the parting space. And the parting space is a 13 by 6, I think. A 13 by 4. There's a 13 by 4, but it's great on the sides. Like, it's not the sides that, you know, cut off half of it. It's a great parting space, and then you also get an elastic band attached for you already. I'm just gonna bleach the knots and then pluck it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my head before. So this is what the wig looks like on. So hey guys, so this is gonna be a start to finish install of this Yolissa Hair wig. So first I'm gonna start off with the stocking cap method, and this is the HD stocking cap, and I love this. I love the stocking cap, by the way. It's so thin and it melts into the skin really nicely, and yeah, it's just easier to use, quicker to dry, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a yes from me. So what I do is I cut out tiny holes on the sides to make my airs, then I go in with even spray and my blow dryer to just melt that into my skin, and then I go in with foundation on the stocking cap and on my wig. So after bleaching the knots, I plucked this ever so lightly, not too much. So the first thing I'm going to do is my ear tabs as usual. Just make a parting around your ear, open up the parting and literally cut along the parting. And then I'm going to cut the lace into 3 sections. I work from the middle down to the sides. So I'm going to cut out the middle section using my eyebrow scissors and cutting it in a zigzag motion. So the hair glue I'm going to use is the Hairbyshope lace glue. Throughout this install, I will be plucking as I go. Just if I feel like a part needs to be a bit more natural, I'll pluck it quickly. And I literally just took 1 layer of this glue. So yeah, I just take that, and honestly, for the most part, you know, some people use a blow dryer. For this glue, I don't have to use a blow dryer to dry down the glue before I install it. It literally dries down very quickly and it doesn't leave any white cast or anything like that, so I love it. guys, look at how melted this lace is. This lace melted perfectly into my skin. The glue gripped everything. And then I'm going to part out some sections to create some edges / baby hairs. So here I'm just taking the elastic band for a couple minutes just to melt the lace into my skin. And then I'm going to take some scissors and trim down the baby hairs. I take my mini straightener and just curl them. So here I'm just parting the hair. This is a 13x4 once again, but the parting space is really good. Like, I love how far back it goes. Then I'm going to take my got to be for edges and brows and use that to mold my edges. I apply it to the root and I take the edge comb and I just sweep it with my finger. Here I'm taking some foundation to just melt this further. The foundation I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. And then here I'm just going to go in with a pencil and concealer to just define the part so everything is just nice and crisp. And then I'm just going to hot comb the top of the hair so that it lays nice and flat. I'm going to take my spray bottle and just wet the hair. I love this hair because it's so, like, you know, there's curly hair that is high maintenance. This curly hair is very much low maintenance. All you need is water, literally, and you can see how juicy, how hydrated, how, you know, defined the curls are with just water. I didn't honestly have to go in with this curling custard, but I just thought, why not? Because it smells good. It smells good. And yeah, this is just going to help the curls be defined even more. Perfect for summer because it is very lightweight. The curls are amazing. The curls are not too tight. And even when it's dried down, it's not too big as well. So yeah, as you can see, the lace has melted into my skin. Like, this install is like so good. Like, I ate I ate this one. If you are interested in this wig, all the details will be in the description box down below, and the link to their website will be in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.